care.
Hey, Shaklee fans.
Hey. We got some goodies in. So we are doing a vendor event on Wednesday. Whew. Tell you what, I just went on the thing. I was a little bit nervous about it getting here on time, but it's here. Quite good. That's what we're gonna do. Oh yeah. We've got, of course, our vanilla Life Shake. This has all 9 amino acids, has fiber in there. Has protein. This is what I use every single day in my coffee, and this is also what I use when I make protein balls and other protein recipes.
Oh, delicious.
So hydrate. I got a big one because I'm going to do some mocktails. So this is what I usually will take dry every day in the packet. I'm going to do some mocktails. All right, we have laundry detergent. This is for the house. So as I've told you before, I'm going to be, as I get rid of stuff, I'm going to be replacing it with Shaklee because it's clean and non-toxic.
Oh my gosh.
This, we needed some laundry detergent. So this is highly concentrated, so little goes a long way. And it works really, really well.
This, oh wait, where's the Shaklee soap you got me? You put it on these like little bumps on my hands and they became like flat within the next day.
I told you. I don't know if you heard that, but I'm going to say it again.
So, sorry, I have something in my mouth. My mom had like a soap, this is laundry detergent, and I had like bumps all on my hands and stuff. And so she told me to like put the soap in warm water and soak my hands in, and I told her it wasn't gonna work because I was like, that's not gonna work. And she's like, I researched and looked into it, and it did work, and it made them like flat, and now they're going away.
All right, so we have some information packets about Vivix, and here's our Vivix. So I'm going to be doing some mocktails with this. So this is the red drink that I pour nightly to help with inflammation. It helps with cellular damage and aging from the inside out. So healthy aging, healthy cells. I'm making mocktails with these two things. We probably are going to have to play with it a little bit and make a few to see what all we can put together. So we'll get some information packets there. What else do we have, Lily?
We're gonna go from my least favorite, maybe your guys' favorite, but our Shaklee bars, which I love them. We have our cherry one, and I think almond, yes, cherry and almond Shaklee bar. Very healthy, very delicious. We have, I cannot decide which one is my favorite, so you guys can say and tell my mommy which one is your favorite. I really like the toffee and chocolate crunch. It's really good and really goodies. And we have our final, which one, this is the other one, I can't decide which one is my favorite. The peanut butter and chocolate chip crunch. It's very delicious. Very exquisite, very cutesy, very mindful.
Yeah, so good. So Jameer, so we've got the snack bars and the meal bars. We're going to be selling these individually if I can keep everybody's hands off of them in the house because they are very popular in this house. We love them because they taste delicious. They're high in protein, high in fiber. So really good for you. None of the junk that comes in a lot of protein bars. And it tastes good. It doesn't taste like a protein bar, which is really nice because it's hard to find a good protein bar like with a nice consistency, flavor, all the things, and we have that here. So
good.
That is what we're having. That's what we're doing, and we're gonna be getting ready for this vendor event. So let us know if you're local and you can come by and say hello.